Hello children, welcome to my channel Science Tonic Experiments. Today we will discuss on chemical reactions. The process of conversion of one or more chemical substances into another is called chemical reaction. Example: magnesium plus oxygen gives rise magnesium oxide. 2 Mg plus O2 gives rise to 2 MgO. Here magnesium and oxygen are reactants and magnesium oxide is product. Types of chemical reactions. There are so many types of chemical reaction. Here we discuss about 4 types. Number 1, chemical combination. Number 2, chemical decomposition. Number 3, chemical displacement. Number 4, chemical double displacement. Now let us learn one by one each of them. Chemical combination reaction. A reaction in which a single product is formed from 2 or more reactants is known as chemical combination reaction. Examples: sulfur plus oxygen, sulfur dioxide. Magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide. Let's do one by one. Sulfur heating in presence of oxygen. For doing this experiment, required material: sulfur powder, a spatula and a spirit lamp. Take some sulfur powder in a spatula. Burn it in air. It reacts with oxygen and burns with a weak blue flame is called sulfur dioxide gas. Observe here what is happening. The color of gas is weak blue flame. Observe here. Sulfur and oxygen are two products. After reaction, it gives a single product called sulfur dioxide. So, it is a chemical combination reaction. Second activity: burning of magnesium ribbon. For this experiment, require material: magnesium ribbon, spirit lamp. Take a piece of magnesium ribbon from roll. Heat it on a spirit lamp. Magnesium ribbon burns in oxygen by producing dazzling white flame and changes into white powder. The powder is magnesium oxide. Magnesium and oxygen are two substances. After reaction, it forms a magnesium oxide. It is a single compound, so it is a chemical combination reaction. Second one, chemical decomposition reaction. In a decomposition reaction, a single substance decomposes to give 2 or more substances. General formula: AB gives rise to A plus B. Lead nitrate on heating gives rise lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. Required materials: lead nitrate, test tube, spirit lamp, agarbatti and matchbox, test tube holder. Take some lead nitrate and a boiling test tube. Heat it on a spirit lamp. Observe here what is happening. On heating, lead nitrate decomposes. It gives lead oxide, oxygen and nitrogen dioxide. Observe here the brown fumes liberating in the boiling tube. The brown fumes are of nitrogen dioxide. The oxygen gas also releases in the test tube. To test the oxygen gas, take a burning incense sticks and keep it in a boiling test tube. It burns very brightly. It is the oxygen gas. Lead nitrate is a single substance. On heating, lead nitrate gives 3 substances. Those are lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. A single substance gives three substances, so it is a chemical decomposition reaction. Second one, chemical displacement reaction. In a displacement reaction, one element displaces another element from its compound. General formula: A plus BC gives rise to AC plus B. Example: ferrous plus copper sulfate gives rise to ferrous sulfate plus copper. Let's do chemical displacement reaction. For this experiment, required material: copper sulfate, test tube, iron nail. Distilled water. Take some copper sulfate salt in a boiling test tube. Pour some water in a boiling test tube. Observe the color of solution. It is blue in color. Take an iron nail and dip it in boiling tube. Observe once again the color. The color is in blue. Observe what is happening in boiling test tube. The dipped iron nail becoming brown color. Simultaneously, the blue copper sulfate solution slowly vanishing. Keep the boiling test tube undisturbedly for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we can observe iron nail dipped in copper sulfate solution become brown and the color of copper sulfate solution in test tube fades. The high reactive element displaces the low reactive element. Here ferrous is high reactive element and in copper sulfate copper is low reactive element. The ferrous displaces the copper from copper sulfate solution, so it is a chemical displacement reaction. The fourth one, chemical double displacement reaction. The reaction in which two reactants exchange their constituents chemically and form two products, then the reaction is called double displacement reaction. General formula: AB plus CD gives rise to AB plus BC. Example: lead nitrate plus potassium iodide gives rise to lead iodide plus potassium nitrate. Let's do this activity. For this experiment, required materials: lead nitrate, potassium iodide, 2 test tubes and distilled water. Take some lead nitrate salt in a boiling test tube. Pour some water in a boiling test tube and prepare its solution. It is lead nitrate solution. Take potassium iodide in another test tube. Prepare its solution with the help of water. Observe here, it is colorless solution. Observe the lead nitrate solution and potassium iodide solution. Pour potassium iodide solution in lead nitrate solution slowly drop by drop. You can observe a beautiful yellow substance appears. Add some more potassium iodide. The yellow substance is lead iodide precipitate. After the reaction of lead nitrate and potassium iodide, it forms lead iodide and potassium nitrate. It is the double displacement reaction because the two reactants lead and potassium exchanges their constituents chemically and forms two new products. So it is a double displacement reaction. If you like this video, watch, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.